We've crossed the point of no return a long time ago. And as soon as the pandemic hit, we crossed that line. We didn't realize it then, but we're miles beyond where that finish line was. You know the millions of people who would walk around wearing masks all day? Who knew the federal government would be begging people to get vaccinated? Who knew that we'd be discouraged to shake hands with people we just met? Who knew we'd be standing 6 feet away from one another? But now, this is the new normal. Our freedoms and liberties have been permanently eroded. Unfortunately, even our economic freedom has eroded. In April 2020, the unemployment rate reached 14.8%, the highest rate observed since data collection began in 1948. After a year, unemployment remained high at just above 6%. Homeless encampments started popping up like mushrooms all across the country. Countless numbers of small businesses shut down permanently. In fact, most Americans say they have lost a favorite local business as a result of the pandemic. A survey of 2,000 people reveals 68% personally know a local business owner impacted by the pandemic. What's even sadder is that we're being made to believe that everything's fine, when in fact such a number would have been considered catastrophic pre-pandemic. But in this new normal, that number is actually considered to be good news. This economic distress is reverberating through the streets of America. CNN said major American cities saw a 33% increase in homicides last year as the pandemic swept across the country. Millions of people joined protests against racial injustice and police brutality, and the economy collapsed under the weight of the pandemic. A crime surge that has continued into the first quarter of this year. I don't know what's happening, but I do know that we need to protect ourselves and our family. It's not enough to just save and invest. We need to protect those savings and investments. And in my opinion, gold is the only asset that has thrived through all economic crashes. It's the only asset recognized globally. Even central banks are buying it. They're ditching the US dollar, they're buying more gold. So protect some of your assets with gold.
If you're interested in investing in precious metals and you want to talk to a no-hassle representative that has experience in physical metal, give us a call. Phone number is 877-646-5347. Our phone lines are always open, and we're happy to answer any of your questions.